Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my newest wishlist plan, Monstera Borsigiana Aurea. The seller taped the plans on the side of the boxes to keep it secure. He also mentioned that he put two free plans, the cuttings and a plan inside the box. So this must be the free gift that was very thoughtful of him. I will unwrap that later because my mind is still on this Borsigiana Aurea. So this must be the plan, taped on the side of the box to avoid shaking during shipment, which is very smart. So let's unwrap this and see the leaves. Looks like the newest leaf, which is the top leaf, is a little burned, which is common for variegated plants to get shocked a little bit during shipment. Overall, the whole plant looks very healthy. The variegation is very stunning, and I'm pretty much happy with it. I can now add Monstera Borsigiana Aurea in my collection. Now let's unwrap these two free surprise cuttings. I wonder what it is. Looks like it is a beautiful philodendron silver stripes. I do not yet have these plants in my collection, which is great. Kinda sorta looks similar to philodendron Rio. Now let's unwrap the second free plant. Looks like it is a potted plant. I hope this is something that I do not yet have in my collection. Looks like this is a Syngonium holly with white and green leaves. It's pretty. That's all my haul for today. I hope you enjoy watching my plant unboxing videos, and please like and subscribe to my channel to see more plants related videos. I hope you have a good day and happy planting.